Top 5 floor exercises that increase your visceral fat burn. Burn this visual fat immediately with these movements. If you want to lose fat and get in shape, first you need to focus on the basics, eating on a low-calorie diet, regular strength training, and getting into your cardio. When you get into these healthy habits, the fat will start to melt. There are different types of fat in your body, and today we are going to talk about nerve fat, that is, the fat that surrounds your organs. Too much fat can lead to serious health complications, such as heart disease, stroke, high cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes, which is why it is important to burn it. Fortunately, the fat around our organs is easier to lose than subcutaneous, stubborn fat under your skin. To increase your nerve fat burning, you want to choose exercises that are more intense, including heat cardio and strength training movements that challenge your body. If you prefer to exercise at home or you do not have access to fitness equipment, there are some floor movements that you can add to your routine that can help. Start doing the following exercises ASAP to increase your lean fat burn. Perform 3 to 4 sets of these movements either at a time or in a back-to-back circuit style. 1. Push-ups. Position with your body in a straight line above the ground. Start moving by placing your legs and shoulders together according to your wrists. Hold your core tight and squeeze the glutes, and control yourself until your chest touches the floor. Next, push yourself to the back up, turning to finish your pecs and triceps. Complete 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 2. Inverted lunges. Start this movement by lifting one leg and make a long journey backwards. Let your hind knees touch the ground, then come back up. Repeat on the other side. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 reps for each leg. 3. Plank to push up. Keeping your back and core tight and your glutes squeezed, get into the arm rest position. Start the exercise by pushing yourself up with one hand, and then finish with the other. Return to the board position, and then start moving with the other arm. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps for each arm. 4. Cross-body mountain climbers. Begin this exercise by fully extending your legs and bringing your shoulders into a push-up position according to your wrists. Keep your core tight. 5. V-twist. Bend your knees 90 degrees and lie flat on your back to get in position. At the same time, keep your cover tight, twist, and reach to one side while spreading your legs outwards. Crush hard from the top, return to the starting position, then crush the other side. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 reps on each side. Subscribe to my channel and give your opinion to watch more good and quality videos.